Hello, this is your weekly roundup for Language Arts 7 from September 21st until September 25th. The first 3 days of school this week, we are going to be working on NWEA. And NWEA for this class will be focused in on the reading skills that we have been not only learning these past few weeks, but in years past. And we're just really trying to get a good idea of where students are as readers here at the beginning of the year. Now, of course, make sure that your computers are charged because this will help us run NWEA smoothly these first 3 days. On Thursday, we're going to pick back up our narrative writing that we began writing on Friday of last week. And then we're going to also have some time working on Friday, working on dialogue in our narrative writing, and then we'll want to have a rough draft completed by Monday the next week of September 28th. So that is your weekly roundup for this week for Language Arts 7.